Hey guys, welcome to the Unit 4 review. We're going to work on page 1 and just page 1 for today, okay? And then we'll do page 2 and I will upload those as well. All right, so we're going to start off. I'm going to mark off the word exponential because it misspelled and it bothers me. Okay, so if you take a look, first of all, we're basing all of this on y equals a, okay, times b raised to the x. So that is that right there. And before you continue on, b is the same as 1 plus or minus r. So if your b is greater than 1, then it would be a growth. If your b is less than 1, it would be a decay. So let me rewrite this equation so you guys can see this one written a little bit better. So you have y equal, there's an understood 1 right there. Do you see that? Raised to the x. And if there's a c right here, this c is your horizontal asymptote, okay? All right, hang on just a moment. This is blurry. Is that better? Okay, just a little bit better. All right, so looking at this graph, you look left to right, it is going down, so this is a decay. See how it also corresponds to that right there, which is less than 1. Your domain will always be negative infinity to positive infinity, or you can write the 2 lines with an r for all real numbers, okay, based on this equation. Your range goes from low to high, so it goes from 0 to positive infinity. So your range goes from here, starting at 0, going all the way up. Your end behavior. Why does it look so blurry to me? I'm not sure. Okay. Just looks so blurry. Okay, your end behavior. You will always write x equals negative infinity for your left, and then you figure out your y, and for the right side, you always write x is to positive infinity, and then you write the right side, okay? So your end behavior, this is your left. Where's that pointing? Pointing up, so that's positive infinity. For your right, it's going down but never crossing your horizontal asymptote right there. See that? So that stops at 0. There's the bridge that's stopping it. This one never crosses the x-intercept, so I'm going to write NA. Do not leave it blank. Write NA. Your y-intercept, you're crossing at 1. It is always going to be the A plus the C. That's going to be your y-intercept. And that was Caleb saying hi to you guys. Your asymptote, your horizontal is y equals 0. That's the bridge that keeps it from crossing. And there you have your number 1. Okay? Let's look at number 2. Here's number 2. Another way you can write this is y equals 1 times 2 raised to the x plus a 0. Do you see that right there? Left to right is a growth. Your domain is always going to be negative infinity to positive infinity, or all real numbers for all your exponentials. Your range goes from 0 up to positive infinity. In behavior, your x to the is always going to be negative, and your y is going to be always positive. Left for the right, left is negative, right is always positive. Okay, now figure out your y. Your left side, see the left right there? It's being stopped at 0. Your right side, it keeps going to positive infinity, just like that. X-intercept, never cross. Y-intercept, it's always these guys. Let me see if I can find a pin. Where's my pin? Orange will work. Add those together. 1 plus 0 is 0. So your y-intercept is 0, 1. Your asymptote is y equals 0. And there you have number 1 and 2. Okay?